I'm the Emir of Yoruba land.
Emir of Yoruba land, Oluwo no jebe.
Would you have preferred I introduced you as the Emir of Iwo?
You can refer to me as long as a king. You can. We have to change what is on the ground. If they call Emir, which is just a different language, is there a problem with that language?
Some people see problem with it. They believe that this is putting up an identity that is alien. It's about a tribe, a people.
Okay, that's the problem of Nigeria, because we tend to be more tribalistic, and that is causing segregation and discrimination among our children. I'm a king, a royal father. I'm the father of this nation. Even the president, traditionally the president is my son.
Emir of Yoruba land, Oluwo no jebe.
Everybody in
So
Nigeria.
how successful has it been for you? Seeing that it is said, reports say that you were queried by the Osun State government.
Damn.
But was there a query or not? With pictures of you being dressed in a regalia that is not like this, that of the Emir and turban as an Emir.
Wait, actually I have all the right to even wear that, because
To push further with the Emir title, which some people claim you adopted, is
anybody that is questioning that is not civilized.
How about the group, a Yoruba group, that's the Afenifere, saying this is a desecration of the stool you represent?
Yeah, they need to go and check what unity is about and stop jumping. They need to hear from me. If they didn't hear nothing, they didn't, and I think people should move from their conservative ways. Conservative ways will now, because we should be conservative progressive. What's it called? The wisdom of the whole people, it's good, but it's antique.
When you say antique, what do you mean?
We can only
do away with the past?
No, you don't do away with the past. What do you do with antiques? You keep them in the museum. Our culture and tradition must be something that is subject to scrutiny and change, because when in the olden times they were in the dark days. Here, we need to start researching. We need to start doing some things that are different from the past. Today, we are still eating amala, eba.
Emir of Yoruba land, Oluwo no jebe. Bí ó bá yọ, kó wù kéèyàn pariwo dé títí, ariwo ni mo like. Ìwọ ẹ ti gbọ́ nísìn láàárọ̀ ẹ tún ti gbọ́ ròyìn mi nínú kíní. Olúwo tó ti ń jà o, Olúwo tó ti ń bá àwọn máàmù jà. Pátá tí mo wọ̀ sídìí àtúnṣe pátá olókùn. Ẹ ti mọ orúkọ láti mọ wọ̀nù. Oyè tí iṣẹ́ yìí lẹ ẹ̀yin kọ́ lẹ dálẹ̀, èmi ni mo dálẹ̀ lẹ̀ Yorùbá. Oyè tèmi ni. I have the right, mo ní àṣẹ láti yan. Ṣe lọ bí bàbá Aláàfin léèrè pé kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò ṣe sọ pé Ọ̀yọ́ nìkan ni kò jẹ́ sí. Tó sì jẹ́ pé Ọ̀yọ́ ni wọ́n ti dá Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò lẹ̀. Èmi ni mo dá Waziri lẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mo jẹ́ ọba tó wà lábẹ́ ọba kan ni. Olúwo ò sí lábẹ́ ọba kankan.
You know, even you want to go to my underwear, you will know it's made of.
No, we'll stop right
You will know it's made.
I'm the Emir of Yoruba land.